Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. I guess if you guys are my subscriber, it's been a long time, about 2 weeks since I posted my last video on the Binbot Pro and also some updates. Well, the reason is because I was sick for about a week, and then I was recently testing a new method just to actually improve. All right, so I'm gonna describe a little bit on why I was looking for a new method and also a little bit of update on my progress with Binbot Pro. Okay, so do stay tuned and watch the entire video and hope you enjoy the content. So let's get into the first thing that I want to talk about in this video is my Binbot Pro progress. So based on the last episode, if you guys haven't watched it, you guys can watch. My balance was about 15,000, and right now my balance stands at $18,885. So that's about $3,000 gain. So overall, if you guys were to check out my progress with my Binbot Pro journey, so I started off with a $500 balance, and right now it goes all the way up to 30 grand, and there's a huge dip. And don't be afraid or be fearful. This dip is actually due to the withdrawal of $15,000, and I've actually received this $15,000 into my bank account already. But just to clarify, of course, there are some people that ask me about there's a transfer fee. So it's quite normal if you deposit using a credit card or any deposit method in fact in the world. You would actually be subjected to some sort of transfer fee. So out of the $15,000, I probably lose about 7% for the transfer fees and like overseas transfer and whatnot. So that's about it. That's pretty normal, but the good news is I've already got my withdrawal of $15,000 as far as Binbot Pro is concerned. All right, so and hence the huge dip here, and then I agreed back up to about $3,000. So basically I haven't really gotten to do a lot of trades recently. So like if you see my trade progress or my trade history, so there's like a couple of trades in 16th, and the last I probably traded should be somewhere about 16th, on the 16th of August, and then there are a couple of trades on the 17th. I did some on the 21st. So I was pretty busy and also recovering, trying to take some time off to enjoy some of my profits that I've just earned, and also to relax myself. All right, so right now, starting from next weekend as well as this week, in fact, I was back in action. I was looking for a new method. So if you guys realize that I actually have a test robot V2, so this is actually a different set of settings that I would actually testing out that caters for a different ATR level. So it was actually for the between red and blue and also below red, and I'm also still testing. So I was gathering data, um, like gathering data around, trying to test different conditions like over here, and comparing a different stochastic crosses and trying to optimize and find whether it can actually outperform method B that I'm actually using and compare it with method B. So I've got like maybe a couple of days worth of data. This is just some of the snapshots that I can show you right now, and it's not finalized yet. All right, so obviously there'll be some losses because like I have to test some of the stochastic crosses whether it works or not, because if I never try, I wouldn't be able to actually suggest it to you guys, right? So but of course I test this in a smaller account through a Binbot Pro second account, where I actually deposited a smaller amount of money to test it. So in my opinion, it's obviously beneficial for myself, so I can actually optimize my own settings and trading method and also share it with you guys, right? Okay, so the second another thing that I would like to actually take note is I'm actually having a $100 giveaway. So if you guys were not my subscriber before, this $100 giveaway ends at the end of 2nd of September. So please watch this video for more details on the $100 lucky draw. So if you guys are interested in participating the $100 giveaway, so it's going to be like a simple lucky draw and put a certain 3 random digit number, and I'm going to use a random number generator to actually select the winner. All right, so yeah, do take a look at the video and you might actually be the lucky winner. So so I think that's pretty much the gist of this episode. So I'm going to continue trading, testing the new methods, and also as well as testing the method A and method B that I've been sharing with some of my subscribers. Just to make it clear, method A and method B still works very well for me. As you can see, my account is still growing. These recent trades are all using my previous test robot, the first version, and using method A and method B. So at the end of the day, it is still growing my account. So that's the most important part of trading with Binbot Pro, right? So all right, guys. So that's all for this episode, guys. So do remember to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. So if you guys are new and you guys want to watch how I actually use the Binbot Pro to actually grow my account from $500 to about $18,000 right now, or previously $30,000, watch this video right here. That's going to show you like how exactly I use it. Of course, the settings and the exact method is not there. So if you guys want the access to my trading method, you guys please email me or add me on Skype based on these contact details you see on your screen, and then we'll talk about it further. So if you guys want to get a feel of how I actually use Binbot Pro to and how I've been sharing with my subscriber how to time our entry, or in a way identify the best time to use Binbot Pro. So do watch this video. You guys can get a great idea of how I actually use Binbot Pro so far. Okay, so that's all, guys. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you guys have any question, or just email me at these contact details you see on the screen. And I hope to bring you guys more update, I think by next Tuesday or next Wednesday, because I need a few more days of testing to compare it with our current method, and also how it fits with the new method, whether it can coexist and also benefit you guys. All right, so that's all for now, guys. So do remember to trade safe if you guys are trading right now, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you, guys.